As we continue to navigate through the My Visits tab, this video is going to focus on 4 sections: Objective Summary, Achievements, Documents, and Competitive Activity. Now, the Objective Summary section will display all objectives for a given time period. To change the period selection, simply click on the drop-down menu and highlight the relevant period, or you can change your start and end dates. Now, the grid below will show again all objectives. If you want to narrow down the grid to show only those objectives that you have not completed, you can simply place a check mark inside the box. Now, our example is showing that we have an open objective for a new point of distribution. You'll notice under the Image Required section, we have a label of yes. This means that in order to complete your objective, you need to upload an image. Now, we have various status options that are available to us. PL is planned, CP is complete, and RJ is rejected. So if we are planning our calls and we know that this is going to be an objective that I plan on completing, I can click on PL and notice that it's going to highlight the item in yellow, so this way we have a visual. If I have made an attempt to get this product listed and it has been rejected, I can select RJ to indicate that it's in red and that has not been an objective that I could complete. If I have been able to secure the new point of distribution, I can click on CP. But notice again, because we have an image required, if I try to complete my objective, I will see a pop-up appear stating that I need to add the picture first before I can click on that actual status update as complete. So in order for me to upload my image, I would simply click on the camera picture and then navigate to the actual image and attach it. You'll notice once you've made the attachment, you will see a thumbnail version of the image that you've attached. In addition to that, I have my completed date defaulting to today. If you wanted to change that day, you can click inside the field to activate the calendar. And I also have a follow-up or note section that I can enter in any relevant information according to my objective. Once I've completed it, you'll notice that the percent achieved has now been updated. So if you hover into that square, you will see that I have 1 out of 10 objectives complete. So in this case, it's calculating it as a 10% completion. Now, the next section is my achievements section. So this is for you to document anything that you're completing over and above what's being pushed down to you in terms of objectives. So a lot of times we might be doing additional tasks that we want to be recognized. And again, if we want to be sharing information such as images and files, every time we attach, we have all of the items being saved and we can access them through the document management system within ezfocus. So in this case, I'm going to click on New Achievements, and you'll notice that, again, we have various drop-downs that we can use in order for us to specify what it is that we want to document. So in this case, if I want to specify an activity, I can enter in the text. If I want to link it to a product, I can select my product from the drop-down menu, and if I wanted to upload another picture, I can upload and click on the image. So again, it's going to upload the image, and now if I want to save the information, I'm going to click on Save, and you'll notice again that I have another thumbnail version of the actual file that I've updated. If you want to delete information, just simply click on the X, and the system is going to prompt you, are you sure you want to delete the entry? You can click on OK to proceed, or you can click on Cancel. Now, as you continue to scroll through, the next section is Documents. So if you want to attach a file, you can do so using this section here. Click on Select File, and it's going to prompt you. So if I have, let's say, a cell sheet that I want to attach, I can click on my file, and then I can enter in my description, and then I'll have it again accessible to my account. Click on Save, and you'll see here that there is a file that has been attached. So the next section is competitive activity. Click on New Activity, and this will allow us to highlight some items that are going on in the field. So if we saw, a really interesting value add, then we can click on that. We can upload a picture, competitive value add, click Open, save the file, and again, we will have an image that can be shared with the team to highlight some interesting activity that we saw in terms of what the competition is doing out in the market.